warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. I'm Muhammad Alfiris Santosa. I would like to present about the midterm assignment from second language acquisition and classroom language learning. That there's three part. From the first, I would like to tell you about extensive reading. It's basically the idea of reading outlet for fun, curiosity, and general understanding is super effective for language learning because it gives learners tone and natural exposure. When students read freely, they pick up new vocabulary and grammar almost without realizing it. Kind of like learning by osmosis, no pressure, just consistent input that slowly levels up their confidence and skill. The biggest difference between extensive and intensive is the focus. While the extensive reading is focusing on quantity, students choose what they want, while intensive reading is about depth, shorter tasks, more complex language, and detailed analysis of vocabulary, grammar, and structure. And here, why does extensive reading matter? Because the benefits go crazy. It builds vocabulary, improve fluency, boosts motivation, and even give learners more cultural knowledge since they are exposed to real language in real context. But it links to behaviorism because repeated exposure help build habits. It relates to presence monitors model since learners naturally self-correct as they get more input, and it touches the interactionist approach, especially when learners use what they read to communicate or negotiating meaning. In my own experience, like during massive input challenge, I use YouTube video as my extensive reading plus listening source. YouTube gave me tons of authentic language in context. One key strategies in this shadowing practice as listening to the video and repeating the words out loud. The repetition totally connects to behavior learning. Over time, I actually caught myself self-correcting during shadowing, which is so real growth and overall massive and meaningful input help me absorb new vocab, recognize patterns, and become more confident in both comprehension and speaking. It proved that extensive reading or any kind of rich input can seriously accelerate language learning when it's consistent, enjoyable, and personally relevant. I think that's it from me for presentation second language acquisition and classroom language learning midterm test. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.